Production begins with aerospace-grade carbon fiber materials. Every Bugatti Tourbillon chassis starts from carefully inspected composites. Computer-guided cutting systems create precise composite patterns. Each piece is prepared for the tourbillon monocoque structure. Technicians arrange composite layers in exact structural sequences. Fiber orientation determines strength and rigidity.
The layered composites are transferred into precision molds. This stage forms the foundation of the tourbillon chassis.
Vacuum bagging eliminates air pockets from the laminate. This ensures maximum structural integrity.
The monocoque is cured under extreme heat and pressure. This process transforms soft composites into rigid structures. The cured carbon structure now possesses exceptional strength. It is ready for precision finishing operations.
Automated machining removes excess composite material. Every cut follows micron-level tolerances. Critical mounting locations are machined into the chassis. These points will support major vehicle systems. Laser scanning verifies dimensional accuracy. Only perfect chassis structures continue production. The heart of the Bugatti Tourbillon begins as aerospace-grade aluminum. The alloy is melted for the massive V16 engine block. Molten aluminum is carefully poured into engineered molds. This creates the foundation of the Tourbillon's V16 engine. The casting solidifies into the rough V16 engine structure. Excess mold material is removed before machining. 5-axis CNC machines shape the cast engine block. Every surface is machined to exact tolerances. 16 cylinder bores are machined with micron accuracy. These cylinders will house the engine's pistons.
Dimensional verification ensures perfect engine geometry. Only approved blocks proceed to assembly.
High-strength steel billets are prepared for crankshaft forging. The crankshaft must withstand enormous engine forces.
The crankshaft takes shape under immense forging pressure. This process creates exceptional strength. Precision machining creates perfectly balanced crank journals. Accuracy is critical for high-speed operation. Computerized balancing eliminates vibration. The crankshaft is optimized for extreme performance. Lightweight forged pistons are prepared for precision machining. These components convert combustion into motion. Each piston is machined for strength and efficiency. Ring grooves are cut with extreme precision. Advanced optical systems inspect every piston. Only flawless components are approved. Titanium connecting rods combine strength with low weight. They are engineered for high engine speeds. Every connecting rod is weight matched. Balance improves smoothness and durability.
The cylinder heads are cast from high-performance aluminum alloy. They control airflow through the engine. Complex airflow passages are machined into the cylinder heads. Precision directly influences engine performance. Valves and springs are installed by skilled technicians. These components regulate engine breathing. Every cylinder head undergoes rigorous testing. Performance standards must be met before assembly. The assembly of the naturally aspirated V16 engine begins. The crankshaft is carefully installed into the engine block. Precision machined pistons are prepared for installation. Lubrication ensures smooth initial engine operation. Each piston is inserted with precise alignment. The fit must meet exact engineering tolerances. Connecting rods link piston movement to crankshaft rotation. Every fastener is tightened to exact specifications. All 16 cylinders receive forged piston assemblies. This creates the engine's moving core. The rotating assembly undergoes its first movement test. Engineers check for smooth and unrestricted motion. Head gaskets create critical combustion chamber seals. Accurate positioning is essential. The cylinder head is carefully aligned with the engine block. Precision placement ensures perfect sealing. Head bolts are tightened using a strict sequence. This ensures even pressure across the sealing surface. Both cylinder banks are now assembled. The V16 engine structure is taking shape. Precision camshafts control the engine's valve timing. Each surface receives protective assembly lubricant. Camshafts are installed into the cylinder heads. Precise alignment ensures accurate valve operation. The camshafts are locked into their bearing supports. Proper torque guarantees reliability at high RPM. The timing system synchronizes the entire valve train. Precise alignment is essential for performance. Engineers verify precise timing synchronization. Every rotation confirms correct assembly.
The valve train is enclosed with precision-engineered covers. The engine assembly continues toward completion.
The fuel system is installed onto the V16 engine. Precision fuel delivery supports maximum performance.
Fuel injectors are positioned with exact accuracy. They deliver fuel directly into the combustion chambers.
Fuel injectors are positioned with exact accuracy. They deliver fuel directly into the combustion chambers. Lightweight carbon fiber intake systems are installed. These components optimize airflow. Throttle bodies regulate airflow entering the engine. They respond instantly to driver input. Every exhaust connection is tightened to specification. This ensures durability under extreme temperatures. The Tourbillon combines a V16 engine with advanced electric motors. The hybrid assembly process now begins. Electric motor rotors are installed with microscopic precision. These components generate instant torque. Copper stators surround the rotating assemblies. They convert electrical energy into motion.
Each electric motor undergoes performance validation. Only approved units continue production.
The hybrid battery system is assembled separately. Cooling efficiency is carefully engineered. Battery cells are installed by high-precision robotics. Consistency is critical for performance.
Electrical pathways connect every battery module. Monitoring systems track pack health continuously.
The battery pack is sealed and inspected. It must withstand demanding operating conditions.
The naturally aspirated V16 and hybrid system come together. The complete powertrain is ready for vehicle integration. The completed hybrid powertrain meets the carbon fiber chassis. This is one of the most critical assembly stages. The powertrain is secured to the carbon fiber structure. Precision mounting ensures stability and performance. Advanced cooling systems are installed around the powertrain. They regulate temperatures during extreme performance.
Cooling lines connect every major thermal component. This network protects the engine and hybrid systems.
The Tourbillon's suspension system is engineered for precision. Forged aluminum components reduce weight. Front suspension geometry is carefully assembled. This system balances comfort and performance. Rear suspension components are integrated around the powertrain. Every mounting point is precisely aligned. Carbon ceramic brakes provide exceptional stopping power. They are designed for extreme speeds. Brake components are installed at each corner. Precision assembly ensures maximum braking performance. The vehicle's electrical nervous system is installed. Thousands of connections power advanced technologies. Control units manage both electric and combustion power. They coordinate the hybrid drivetrain. Carbon fiber body panels are prepared for assembly. Each surface is inspected for perfection. The Hypercar's iconic shape begins to emerge. Panel alignment is measured with extreme precision. The Tourbillon's doors are fitted and adjusted. Smooth operation is verified repeatedly. Body panels are prepared for the finishing process. Surface perfection is essential before painting. A protective primer layer is applied first. This creates the foundation for the final finish. The signature exterior color is applied. Multiple layers create exceptional depth and gloss. A durable clear coat protects the paint finish. It also enhances visual brilliance. The paint finish is cured for durability. Controlled temperatures ensure consistent quality. Expert polishing produces a flawless finish. The surface achieves its final mirror-like appearance. Luxury interior materials are selected and inspected. Every piece meets Bugatti's standards. Skilled craftsmen create the handcrafted interior. Attention to detail defines every component. The handcrafted interior is installed. Luxury and engineering come together inside the cabin. The driver interface is assembled. It combines modern technology with classic craftsmanship. Forged wheels complete the vehicle's stance. They are engineered for strength and lightweight performance. The completed vehicle receives its first electronic startup. All major systems undergo verification. The legendary V16 comes to life for the first time. Engineers carefully monitor every parameter. The Tourbillon is tested under simulated driving conditions. Performance data is analyzed in real time. Every detail is inspected before delivery. Only perfect vehicles receive final approval.
It is perfect.
The Bugatti Tourbillon is now complete. A masterpiece of engineering, craftsmanship, and performance.